And we are live. Hello, guys. Welcome to joining us today on this call. Happy to see you again. Today it's a beautiful day because today we have a beautiful conversation with Matthew. Matthew is the founder of UChat. Matthew, hi.
Hi, guys.
Thank you so much for joining us today on this meeting. And I believe this conversation will be helpful for us both as the first and for you as well, because we will talk about how you can easily integrate loyalty cards in your existing chatbot flows for your customers and upsell them, get more
Yep,
money, and
yep.
deliver more value. This is most important thing from my point of view.
Yes,
So,
yes.
guys, say hello in chat at least.
Okay. Good. Okay, there is a chat coming. Danny's
Matthew, how
here.
are you today?
Good. Everything is good. So Danny, Fernando, Alex is here. So yeah, I have been engaged with them. They use your platform, a lot. So we have a lot of discussion with them. How to make it work, make it from the user point is more smooth user experience. Yeah. Hello guys, Nate, Fabian's here as well. Good.
So I think other people can join a little bit after because we have much more registrants instead of participants right now. But anyway, who can't connect today can watch this video in recording after any time. We will publish this video on our YouTube channels, I believe. From our side, it's 100%. Matthew, what do you think?
From our side as well. So you can send my recording when we are publishing at our YouTube channel. Yeah.
So I believe we can start. What do you think?
Yes. We can start. Danny is saying we
Yeah.
love Boomerangme and the UChat. Thank you, Danny.
Thank you so much, Danny. Yeah. So, guys, first of all, we decide to tell you about the Boomerangme value proposition and product before. Right after that, we will talk about the UChat. And right after that, we will talk about the integration, the most important thing that we make. Thank you so much, Matthew. It's your teamwork for making this integration. We are much appreciated, and I believe this is the better trigger and opportunity for us both.
Yes. Yes.
So, guys, just before, what is the boomerang mean in general? I believe all guys who joining us today understand how it works. It's digital loyalty cards designed especially for local businesses to help them retain their clients and get twice more in retention rate and plus 30% in average check. Actually, without any additional cost for acquisition. And this is the most important thing because local business owners, not the professional marketers, but anyway, they want to build repeatable business and get retention from this existing customer base, and we help to close this problem, we help to solve this problem, and we help to get more money from existing clients without any additional costs. This is the main value. But anyway, we start working with this product in 2020, right till the COVID pandemic time. And first of all, the first idea, we plan to work with the SMBs directly, help them to onboard them and support them and work with them directly. But by any reasons, we understand this is the struggling way because we need to contribute not only in classical service support, but we need to educate them. We need to suggest them loyalty mechanics. We need to set up loyalty cards. We need to support and 1 million questions till the way. And it's not working case. And this is why we decide to add new opportunity to add digital agency. We're adding the white label solution and ability to reselling this product. Right now, this is beautiful solution that you can get. You can set up your domain name, you can set up your white label solution, you can set up even your pricing, currencies, and connect with your payment gateway, and start selling this loyalty as a service to your customers, upsell them, and get recurring income from your existing clients. This is most important because in my past, for 12 years, I've been running and managing my own digital agency, and I totally understand how important to get recurring revenue source in digital agency because customers cancel the contracts, customers switch from one agency to another, and this is the big problem again because uh, for me personally, it was broken my heart every time when customer cancel contract with my agency, And I actually start looking for a solution with most stickiness effect, and that can be work like an anchor in our agency to save our existing customers and work with them for a long time. And this is why actually we choose the loyalty, because loyalty have a most stickiness, I believe, effect instead of other products. Because if you can integrate loyalty in your customer, you can expect that this customer will pay to you for a long time, because no one want to cancel the relationships with loyal customers who have positive bonus balance, right? It doesn't make sense. It's a
Yeah.
problem for a business. It's a risk. This is why we choose in this direction. It works pretty well. Right now, we have around 2 or 3% churn rate by year, not by month. It's beautiful numbers for any SaaS platform, and you can use this tool to upsell your customers to make the strong relationships with them, right? And build repeatable business, get a passive income, moreover, in total, in general. This is how it works. I don't
Yeah.
believe that we need to show the dashboard right now and show you how it works more deeper, because we have a beautiful knowledge base. And today, the main our idea is talking about the integration. And Matthew, please
Yep.
tell
Yep.
about
Okay.
your product.
Okay. Okay. Good. So I have a presentation prepared. So let me share my screen, and I will go through a few, integrations and user case. Okay. So that is also the video tutorials trainings we are building. Um, because first of all, let me share my screen, and we will start. So share screen. Okay. Here. Okay, so first, I think I will go to a few slides about UChat. Just in case there are audience that who do not know about UChat, and then I will talk about the integrations, and then I will talk about the user case that you can use. Okay, first of all, both UChat and the Boomerangme have white labels. Okay, we all have the white label plans. So basically, you can build up your own brand. That brand is you will have two very good solutions that go along with each other. Okay, you will have a chatbot solutions you can sell. Also, you will have a digital loyalty solutions you can sell to your clients. And and these two products is in very good, they work very well with each other, because UChat will provide the channels the business can communicate with the loyalty program, with the digital card. Okay, so I think that is very good opportunities for anyone that you are running the digital marketing agencies, or you want to start your own business. Okay, and I will go through a few highlights of UChat. First of all, UChat support, I think, is largest number of the channels. I would say, I think I can confidently say that we have the web chat, individual web chat channel, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, Google Business Messenger, voice, SMS, Telegram, Slack, Line, Viber, Viki, Intercom, Jivo Chat, Chatwood. All these channels are already existing live in our platform, and we are targeting to add Microsoft Teams and Alexa and Google Assistant as a separate channels. So these channels may be not available this year, maybe next year, beginning of the next year. Yeah, so we will bring all these channels that your business can engage with your clients. And another is we have a drag and drop flow builder. So basically, you do not need any coding skills. You can drag and drop, and you can build your own logic. You can build your own automations. Okay. And the last is now is AI, right? Everyone is talking about AI, and UChat really have the advanced features that a digital marketing agency need. Okay, we have native integration with Dialogflow, and also we have very deep integrations with OpenAI. most of the platform, the OpenAI integrations are not able to understand your own business data. But in our platform, we provide OpenAI embeddings and also the ChatGPT integrations. So both of these, you can feed in your own business data. It's about your product, it's about your service, and it's about the most asked questions. And you can use those kind of the data to reply to your clients across all the channels we support. So it will make your AI conversations accurate. It will make your AI conversations relevant. Okay, so I think that is the biggest advantage. Consider all these AI topics, trending topics right now. And another thing is we have JavaScript functions, external request, and all these allow you to easily connect with third party, and so that for example, we build these integrations with Boomerangme. It allows you to create a card, to create the customers, to update the card, and also to send the push notifications. And so that's advanced, very advanced chatbot you can build with UChat. And the last is, I think this is also a very good selling point. Is UChat is very, we have native integrations with Shopify and with WooCommerce, and also we have our own built-in e-commerce. So consider the use case I'm going to talk about is you can actually initiate the cash card, discount card when that is purchased on your Shopify store or on your WooCommerce store. You can even give them this coupon code when they abandon the cart. So all this opportunity is there. And and now let's talk about the integrations. Okay, so the integrations we have with Boomerangme, we categorize them into two different categories. First of all is for the Boomerangme agency white label plans. If you have Boomerangme white label agency plans, we actually allow you can search. You can go to UChat mini app. So let me show you. If you have a UChat account, you can go to the mini apps and you can click this install apps. You will see, you can search Boomerangme. You will see there are two separate mini apps. Okay, one is the agencies. So these agency mini apps allow you to resell Boomerangme license in all the channels we support. Okay, so let me show you what you can do. So basically, you can resell Boomerangme license across the 16 channels we support in the conversation. And you can take the payment directly in UChat, through UChat, across all these channels. We support PayPal and Stripe by default. We have other local payment gateway as well. You can search those payment gateways in our mini app marketplace. And if doesn't have, you can easily build this kind of the payment integrations with our mini apps. Okay, and you can take the payment of subscription, and also you can take the payment as one-time payment. And after you take the payment, you can actually create account or update the account through this partner mini app. Okay, so basically everything you need to resell Boomerangme license in the chatbot is ready in UChat platform. Okay, so this is one categories of the integrations that is for Boomerangme white label partners. Now let's talk about another categories of the integrations. This is for the user, for the end user, for the customers. And what's the integrations we have? You will find Boomerangme 2.0 mobile wallet mini app. Okay, so I think I would really congratulations Mike's team to bring these new APIs. It opens so many opportunities. Okay, you will understand after I show you a few user case. So same, if you go to UChat platform, go to the mini app marketplace, you can find this Boomerangme mobile wallet. Okay, so I already installed. and let me show you what kind of the actions we have. So what kind of the use case you can have. So first of all, I would categorize these Boomerangme integrations into 4 subcategories. Okay. So first of all, it allows you to create customers, and then you can create the cards. Okay. And with the new API 2.0, those installation link, those cards have multiple links you can use. Okay. That platform, they offer a unified installation link. So basically, they will recognize what device you are using, and then they will redirect you to that particular installation link. Okay. And at the same time, they also offer you a direct iOS or Android or PWA installation link. Okay. So you can actually send the user directly the installation link according to that device. Okay. This is one category. They will start to get their own cards. And the second is we have the actions that allow you to update the cards. So basically, Boomerangme, they support multiple type of the cards, stamp cards, cashback, membership, multiple pass, and yeah, there are so many cards. Okay, and imagine that there is some trigger. So, for example, there is a purchase in the bot, or there is a purchase from the Shopify store. You can actually trigger. We have all these triggers, and then you can connect these triggers to update that cards. Okay. And also, I think Boomerangme is going to also to bring scan the cards events, and also whenever there is a scan happened at the local business, you can receive the trigger, and then you can update that cards. Okay, so that is the second category, is you can update the cards, and the third is you can trigger the push notifications. Our integrations allow you to send the push notifications from UChat platform. Obviously, you can send these push notifications in Boomerangme UI, but from UChat part, you can also trigger the push notification or send the broadcast of the push notifications. Okay, and the last category is they have a lot of amazing, I would say, events. So basically, that will be the triggers that can directly connect with UChat. So, for example, the card installed, card updated, card deleted, card scanned, all these the events that is happening on your customer's card at the local business, they will be trigger the automations to UChat. Okay, so let me show you the integrations we have. So if I go to, let me see, if I go to this, so this is the agency
Interrupt
app.
and ask one question, by the way,
Yeah,
before we can go in ahead. So I want to ask, can we send really fully personalized messages with UChat and Boomerangme integration, for example, if we understand that customer collect, let's say, 25 bonus points or whatever,
yeah,
and we understand that we need to push this customer go ahead and achieve the next reward, can we send the personalized push notification
yeah.
based on chat GPT and design it especially for this customer with UChat integration?
Yes, definitely. You can do that. So basically, what happens is, for example, this is integrations. Okay, so the first category is you need to create the customers. Okay, you collect the information, the email, phone number, create a customer, and then they will create the card. They will directly install. Okay, and the second category is you need to update all these cards. So we categorize them into different type of the cards. So multiple pass, you can use these 4 actions. Reward card, you can use these 2 actions. Stamp card, you can use these 2 actions. And certification card, cashback card, you can use these actions. And the third is about the push notifications. So basically, what you are saying, Mike, is so what happens is when the when this when that amount, the points of the card, when you update the cards, you can actually save that points into a user custom fields in UChat. So we will know what the amount, what the points they have. Okay, and if you have that, what you can do is you can go to, for example, I will show you a very quick user case. So what you can have is you can have a trigger. That trigger is a user field value change. So this user fields will be, for example, we will have a loyalty TY points. We do not have this one, but we can just use this ID, just for example, okay? So what you can do is you can have this trigger, and this will trigger for every time when it changes, okay? You enable that. When it changed, you can trigger a flow. You can select a flow. So I will select this updates demo. Okay, and then in this flow, you will use a condition. You will use a condition. For example, I know the points changed. Okay, and now I just need to know what are the points now. What's the points the user have now? Okay, so I will use loyalty ID. Ideally, you should use a number custom fields. Okay, but this one is just to show you because if you use a number, you can actually to compare whether this number is more than 50 points or more than 100 points. Okay, but you get my points. So I will just type a simple one. For example, if they have more than 50 points, and then you can use the Boomerangme integrations. So if you scroll down, you will see all these integrations here. So because you already have that card ID, okay, so you can send them a push notifications and just update them, or you can update the cards if you want. So yeah, so that's the flexibility you have. And yeah, let me see where as so we talked about these end users. Okay, I still haven't finished to show you all the actions. So yeah, so I showed you that you can create the card. Okay, you can update the card. You can trigger the automations. And another thing is because of your API 2.0, we can actually receive the events that is happening in your platform. So the reason, in order for us to do that is we have the inbound webhook. Okay, so I think I should have someone over here. If not, I can create one. Okay, so for example, this is mobile wallet events, and it will give you a URL, and you just copy this URL to your platform. Your platform, we can put an inbound webhook, right? We can check what kind of events we want to listen. And what we do is because every of your payload, you will send the event name, and also you will send a card ID. Because the card ID is already generated in our platform, so we can match exactly which user. And then we can trigger all those automations to send the push notification to the user. So that is, I see a lot of people they are using is when they issue a mobile wallet card, and then they will wait. They will wait for a couple of minutes, and they will see, okay, now I want to check if they install the cards or not, because you are also sending a card installed events. So if they didn't install the cards within 10 minutes, they can send them a reminder, okay, and until they install the cards. And also the card scan events that you are going to push live, that is also going to help us to bring more user case, because we will know the user actually go to the local business, we will know they redeem that card, we will know how much they spent. So all those data we can collect, and we can generate a beautiful reports for the local business. So let me go back to the a few user case that we are
Matthew,
going to
can
build.
I
Yeah,
interrupt you and add some points about that you said right now? So, first of all, I need to give you the top view about the push notifications. I think it's important in our conversation right now because not too many services provide you ability to send push notifications to your customers. Just loyalty cards, native applications, or it can be the maybe the web push, right, for
yeah,
customers.
yeah.
Boomerangme is just one of not too many services that give you ability to send push notifications for iOS users natively using Apple Wallet application.
Mhm.
But for unlike our competitors, we provide you ability to send push notifications to Android users because maybe you know that Google Pay and Google Wallet natively do not support push notifications.
Yes.
This is why we designed our completely new solution. We name it PWA Cards. It's a progressive web application that works like a web view on Android devices, and we subscribe all Android users for push notifications via the Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox web push. This is how we can deliver push notifications to all your customer base, not only for iOS users, but for all 100%. Push
Yeah,
notifications are absolutely free and unlimited. Obviously, you know about it, but I need to highlight about this. And moreover, push notifications, it's the most kindly way that you can interact with your customer base because it's not SMS. You can't send 5 SMS per day, right? But you
yeah,
can send 2 free push notifications because it's more kindly, right?
yeah,
Customer just see this message, swipe this message and forget about this. The device do not save this information into the memory, right? it's
yeah,
it's like it's like a pager, it's like a Twitter. It's a short and accurate touch with the customer base. This is why you can send much more push notifications unlike emails and SMS, and it not will be look like a mess, like a spam. In this case, it's a beautiful communication channel with your customer. What I want to highlight. And in additional, so about the triggers and notifications, we just already talked about how you can get triggers from Boomerangme site and send flows in the UChat. I just want to highlight that soon we plan to implement RFM analysis into our webhooks as a triggers. How it works? We automatically segmentate all customer base based on their purchases behavior. For example, if your customers purchase often and for big checks, obviously it's your loyal and regular customers, right? It's a one and your main and most important segment of your customer base. Customer accuracy move to this segment, and we can send a trigger that Matthew account already customer loyal segment. You can get this trigger from the API, and you can send the absolutely accurately and properly information to this customer base and upsell them, right? For example, you can suggest to share loyalty cards by referral program, share additional reviews on Google Maps, on Yelp, Yellow Pages, and etc. because it's your loyal customer. But if mate you forget about your restaurant and do not buy anything by the last 2 months, we kindly move this customer from customer loyal to the customer at the risk, potentially at the risk. And you can get also this information. It's not available right now, Matthew. We are working
yeah.
about this, and we plan to add this feature next week. And
Okay.
so if you understand that customer accuracy move it to the customer at the risk, you can send the next sequences into UChat to save this customer. For example, what you can do, you can send the short-term discount code that will be works just 2 days after this time, after receiving time, right? Just
Yeah,
Matthew, thank you so much for visiting us last time. We are losing you. This is your $25 off coupon that will be works by the end of this weekend. We are waiting for you. Please come in back. Something like that.
Oh,
And you can
yeah.
send customers automatically. You do not thinking about what you need to send and for who you need to send it. You can set up fully automation communication with your customer based on their purchases behavior, because I think it's a huge opportunity to increase your retention rate and revenue in your customer businesses as well. Sorry for
Yeah,
interrupt.
yeah, that's fine. You just reminded me. I think I forgot to mention one of the things. So here is where you put the inbound webhooks, and you can listen to all these events. Okay, I think they will add the card scanned events very soon. So that will bring another level of automation. Another thing I would say, because the coupon code, the coupon card or the membership card, they will have the timestamp. Okay, so the timestamp, we actually work on our integrations so that will be using the UTC format, and you can send the reminders, before or after that date. Okay, so for example, you have a coupon code that is going to expire, in the next 3 days, and when this is going to trigger back to UChat, it will save into a date, time, user custom fields, and then you can send the reminders because we have the date time based triggers. So basically, what you can say is you can select the expiry date, and you can send the reminders, 1 days, 2 days, or a few hours before they expire, or before the events or the memberships what you are selling. Okay, so this is another I think it's very important level of integrations. Okay, and I know this video, this live we are doing is maybe, it's more just talking about the concept, and we are going to invest a lot of education training tutorials on our YouTube channel. Okay, those will be I think released from next week. We will start with a coupon code, loyalty card, and everything. You will have the template, you will have the training videos, and yeah, it will get you easily start to use these solutions. Okay, and now let's talk about the user case. So this is the 4 user case I can think on top of my head so that you can use and you can sell this user case using Boomerangme and UChat white label. Okay, you just pick one of the user case and you can sell that to your local business. First one is the sell coupon code, coupon card. Okay, so if you we have a lot of coupon card in our letterbox every week. Okay, those are the customers who have the budget to spend. Those are the customers who want to sell that product. Okay, but when they are offering that coupon code, they do not know what is happening. Okay, that is the biggest disadvantage, by using the paper, using those untrackable coupon card. Okay, so using the digital ones allow you to actually see how many cards have been issued, and how many cards have installed, how many cards have been deleted. Okay, and how many cards have been scanned, and how many, how much the customer spent actually because of the coupon card. That is the
And
biggest
moreover,
advantage.
sorry for
Yeah,
interrupt you, because we automatically convert coupon card in redemption flow in one of regular loyalty cards. Moreover, you can understand how many repeatable customers, how many loyal customers
yeah,
you can get from your marketing campaign. It's not
yeah,
only the one-time customer who just redeemed the coupons, right? It's
yeah,
customers who converted to the stamps, to the rewards, to the discount, to the membership or whatever, and who continue visiting your customer business again and again. You can understand the customer acquisition cost if you run in
yes,
marketing
yeah,
campaigns, and you
yeah,
can know and report lifetime value to your clients. It's a
yeah,
brand new feature. It's a new opportunity for all local businesses, because I do not know any another solutions who help you to track real customer acquisition cost when you run in marketing campaigns to local businesses.
yeah, yeah.
This is the huge.
Yeah, I think this is, I think this is, why I love the mobile wallet solutions. Okay, I have been in this maybe 3 years back. I've been focusing on this area. I know, digitally, if you can track all the, custom journey, you can prove this is the sales, this is the revenue you bring because of the digital wallet solutions you are selling to them. I think that's huge. Like you said, the gold is in the list, right? The loyalty card, the customer list to maintain this relationship. That is, every business need. They will not cancel the subscriptions for that, but you needed to prove that this is how they can effectively help the business through the data. Okay, so I think with your solutions is everything is possible. So first one is you can sell, for example, the coupon card, because we have the web chat widget. Okay, they can use the existing website traffic to offer this coupon code, and also we have the Google Business Messenger as a separate channel, so they can take advantage of the mobile organic traffic. When people are asking directions, and they can see the chat bubbles, and they can click in, engage, and get the offers. And we also have a Facebook ads integration. Okay, so you can do the messenger ads, and also we have the instant form triggers. So basically, the user prefill the form, and then you can immediately trigger and create the card, send it to them so that they can store right away. Okay. For the WhatsApp, we have the click to WhatsApp ads triggers as well. So you can bring the traffic from paid social media from Facebook. Okay. And now let's talk about the Facebook page post comments. So if you are doing, page post, and also if you manage a Facebook group, this is new. Okay. I do not think any other chatbot platform have this yet. So basically, we can automate Facebook group comments, and you can send them private message. You can send them, the offers. Okay. And for the Instagram, we have the Instagram comments, story mention, story comments, and the DM. All these can be the triggers. You can sell the coupon code. You can generate the card for them through all these channels. Yeah, so like I said, I showed you that we actually synchronize with the format Boomerangme is using, and so that you can send the reminders about the expiry date using our date time based triggers. So this is one of the use case. Okay. Now the second
In
one is
additional, can I add a couple of points about the use case because I think it's
yeah,
important because
yeah,
it's not about retention, it's about the customer acquisition, right? It's the first step that we need to close for our customers, right? Get new
yeah,
clients, and after that we need to retain them. So I want to tell you what's the offer you can use with the coupon card. It can be anything. It can be
yeah,
any incentive for the first visit for the new customers. It can be $20 off coupon for the first visit, 20% off. It can be
yeah,
free cup of coffee in coffee shop.
yeah,
It can be whatever. But what's important here, we set up this functionality like this. Only new customers who do not participate in our loyalty program can install the coupon cards. Existing clients with loyalty cards cannot install the same coupon cards on existing phone number because we're checking this data on the database. And you can be sure that you attract only the new customers without any risk of fraud from your existing customer base. And you can easily provide really right incentive to get new clients from your website, from your Google business, from your Facebook ads, Facebook comments, and blah blah blah. From all these available platforms, you can automatically install them coupon code. And what important with the coupon card, in additional that this is just incentive to visit your business first time. This is the push notifications again, because when customer install the coupon card in their phone, we automatically start the automated push notification funnel to help customer make the right decision and visit your business first time. Because how it works in local business, clients get the leads from the marketing campaign, and no one calling by these leads because no one have a people who can do it, right? And no one have
yeah,
the free time to make a calls for a customer base. This
Yeah.
is obviously the problem. This is the lacking of existing customers. This is the lacking in conversion rates, right? And
Yeah.
and coupon cards can help you with this because we automatically send push notification. Thank you so much for the card installation. We are waiting for you. Please set up your book your appointment in our restaurant and blah blah blah. And this is actually how we can increase conversion rate between the coupon card installation step and the real visit and first spending into the restaurant, for example, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This is important.
Yeah, the reminder and the follow up, that's very important. And also, I think if they scan the card, after that, for example, 4 hours or 8 hours after that, you can ask for the reviews. So everything is all these solutions you pack it up, that will be something you can sell to your clients. Okay, this is a coupon code. Another is stamp card and the loyalty program. Okay. So what I see, what I see people success with, they use the NFC cards. So basically, that is something they can put on that table. So if they use iPhone, they put their phone over there, it will open a link directly. Okay, that link can be a UChat messenger referral link, or it can be our web chat. They do not need to log in the social media. It will just open our web chat. They can start talking and collect the information and generate a card for them. Okay, and if you are using our web chat, we have been building a very smooth user experience because we can automatically detect what the device the user is using. Okay, whether they are on the desktop or on the mobile. If they are on the mobile, what device they are using. And then when you create the card for them, you can send that installation link for that device. Okay, as Mike explained, for the iOS, for the Android, you can use the PWA installation link. And also we make it very easy. We actually generate a deep link so that it will directly open Chrome if you already have. So that is something you can use. And another thing, I don't know people know or not, because for the iOS you can actually send geo push notifications. Okay, if the user is near your local business, your business, I think it's how many meters, 50 meters or 100 meters, you can trigger the
100 meters.
100 meters. You can trigger push notifications to that device. Okay, this is something you can take advantage of. Now let's talk about the cashback and the discount card. So this is most used, for example, in the e-commerce, because,
Sorry,
like I said,
Matthew.
yeah,
People asking questions in the chat. I want to highlight a couple of questions because it's important and answer
yeah,
them
yeah.
immediately. So, Alicia asking, does it have to be Facebook group your own for place? I think the UChat links, deep links to start automations. Yeah, I believe it can be your own group, or can you can put this link into other groups to increase your sales and get new customers from the partners group, for example. I believe it works like that. Matthew, am I right?
Um, so if you are talking about automation,
Yeah.
that is to be you have to be at the admin of the group, because you need to
Okay.
install an app to the group. And then we
Okay.
can pick up the post, we can pick up the comments, and you can use the AI to reply and to send them private message. Okay, if you are talking about that, that is requirement you need.
And Noah asking a side question for Mike: is there a way to do the Apple Tap for wallet to have the card auto installed? So it's not like actually Apple Tap for install a loyalty card. You do not need to fill your personal information. I would say if you're issuing the loyalty card via the UChat, you fill in all your personal information in UChat, and we automatically send you the card installation link. You just need to push the one button, add to your wallet, and that's all. We cannot avoid this step, unfortunately, by any security reasons, but we can do it just with one click and install card without any problems.
Yeah.
And Danny asking, how many geofenced location can we add? So by Apple restrictions, by Apple terms, we can add up to 10 geolocation in one card template, to one card template, not more. But we have tips and tricks, to be honest, how we can increase this number to unlimited. If you want to know how it works, you can touch me in direct messages, and we will talk about this. It's not short talk, but we can do it.
Okay. Do they need,
I think we can go ahead.
do they need a hardware device, or they do not need anything? They just need to put the pin on the map.
Yeah, absolutely right. And just imagine all customers who have your loyalty cards installed in their wallets, walking around your restaurant, for example, will automatically receive the push notifications on their lock screens. Absolutely free and unlimited. It's a magical feature. Most important for any local businesses, I believe.
Yeah. I saw people put the pin at the competitors' locations. Oh yeah. Anyway, so yeah, let's
Smart
talk.
way.
Yeah. Any other questions so far? You want to?
Yeah. I have a couple of questions here. About the integration with Square e-commerce. Square will be available, I believe, next or after next week, and we will run additional webinar about that. And Noah, just clarifying, I'm speaking in general. There is some software that allow you to tap and install a car in person at the point of sale for a client. So you can it's just NFC tags. If you program your NFC tag for card installation link, you can use it for easiest install loyalty card. Yes, of course. You can program your NFC tag not only for UChat, you can program for our own card issuing form, for example. But I believe if you're working in the bundle with UChat and Boomerangme, it's much better to set up the UChat link first, because UChat provide you more features, not just the loyalty, but again, it's notifications, it's automatic reminders, it's omni-channel and other things. I
Yeah.
think we can move forward because we have just 13 minutes and we want to discuss too many things
Yeah,
this
yeah,
meeting.
yeah. I
Anyway,
only have two. Yeah, I have two slides left. So another is the cashbacks and the discount card. Okay, this is mostly used in the e-commerce. And as I mentioned, that UChat, we have the built-in e-commerce you can use across all the channels we support, and also we have the native Shopify and WooCommerce integrations. So basically, you will be able to update the cards. You will be able to generate the first cards to them when you receive the orders. Okay, and also every future orders you will able to update that cards, update the loyalty points, and you can offer them directly as a cashback, or offer some different levels of discount. Okay, and another thing I can see is a gift card and a prepaid card. So Mike, your platform, you have, I just got this information. You have the multiple pass, right? And that is
yep,
something the customers pays first. And then you can
yes,
generate this card for them, and they can, every time they will reduce the points or the scores from the card. And also I see people also selling gift card, and
absolutely.
they take the payment, and it will have a certain amount. For example, if you pay 100, they will give you 150 credit, or the cards you can use in the store. Okay, and all this beautiful user case you can build directly inside of UChat, because as I said, we have a native Stripe and PayPal integrations. Okay, so you can directly take the payment, and then you can generate the cards for them. And for the multiple pass cards, and we also have the, if this is a subscription you want to renew every month, if you are using Stripe, it is also possible, because we have the Stripe subscription payment triggers. So every month when that success payment is triggered, you can update the cards. When it's failed, you can remove the points. So that is another use case you can use. I think it will works really well for the local business. Last one is the membership and the events. So you can sell the events card or the memberships, same like take the payment and generate the card. and you need to manage the expiry date, the membership date, right? And those can be the date time phase trigger. You can send the reminders in UChat across all the channels we support. So yeah, so that is a couple of the use case I have been sharing, and let me see. Yeah. So
Matthew, I think it's important question. Fernando asking, Matthew, can you pull the unique referral link of each customer with one of the actions?
yes, correct. So this is also, I think, Mike, your team works very well. I send our feedbacks to your team, and they implement those, custom fields, those response. Yeah,
Thanks.
so that is added. So when you create the card in that response, you will get a referral link for that particular card for that customers. So yeah, I forgot to mention, there are so many use cases. So you also have the referral, right? Referral cards and the referral campaign and the
Of
review
course.
campaign that is not covered in this use case yet. But yeah, that's a lot of use case we can build. Yeah.
Yeah. Alex asking, can I set up an SMS shortcode and have them text to get a link for download the card?
Um, so if you are using UChat, it's already available. Okay, so we have the SMS bot. So for example, we support Twilio, Signalware, Messaging Media, and recently we support the 10x. So you get the numbers from them, and you can set up the triggers. So when they send the message, and they will reply the message asking them the email, okay, if you want. And when you collect those informations, you can use the action to generate a link for them. So that is possible. Yeah.
And Alex asking in additional, and if they have registered before, get get
Yeah,
their
you can do.
card back in.
Yeah,
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 and
yeah.
they
You can
vote
do that
based on the
because
phone
we
number.
have an action to search customers. So if you can search directly with that phone number or with that emails, and you will see, okay, is this customer exist or not? If it exists, you can just pull the installation link again and send to them. So yeah, so yeah, that is a 14 days free trial. 14 days of free trial of UChat. You get access to all the pro features, no credit card required. Yeah, you can install the Boomerangme mini apps. You can, um, we will have more, training tutorials with the templates. So yeah, that's a lot of potentials for UChat and the Boomerangme to work together. So you can build a very
Templates,
good
it's
solution.
it's the most important thing, I believe. And do we plan to make ready-made templates for these user cases that we talk about this right now? It's possible.
Yeah, definitely. The use case I shared, we all have the plans to make the step-by-step video, and that video will go along with the templates. So Mark
Beautiful.
is our educators. So we already planned this feature. I already test all the actions. Okay, I already test all the actions. It works beautifully. You can update the card. You can update the points. So yeah, so everything is ready, and we are ready to build the use case for you guys to use our platform, both of the platform together. Yeah.
Because I believe no one wants to build these automations from the scratch.
Yeah.
It's too many time for learning,
Yeah.
for education.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
just need to have the one, two, three working use case, right? Just three
Yeah.
clicks and
Yeah.
it should be
Yeah.
work. And yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it's
We will.
important to do the same with the active campaign. We are just made the integration with them. It's a really problem to make ready-made template for
Yeah.
this platform, unfortunately. But UChat, it's a beautiful platform when you can just copy and paste the template and in 5 minutes onboard new customer with the
Yeah.
most popular user cases with Boomerangme, UChat, or other mini apps without any problems. Yes. So, what about the giveaway? Matthew, do you have any bonuses for our customers today on this call? What you can share because we have
Uh,
for your clients?
Giveaway. So I was thinking, because some of the templates we are building actually with your platform is paid templates. So I think we can offer these paid templates for free when we have them. Yeah, it will be we will have, this is a premium course we are building. Some of them is free, just to show them what you can use. But some of them, that is a very good use case, you can actually pack it up and to sell at the high price. So that will be a premium template. So we can offer that as opportunities to for free for the for the giveaway users, for some users. Yeah.
Yeah. How users can connect with you to get these templates after this webinar?
Um, Currently, we do not have any template yet. We will start building this template from next week. So the first one will be the coupon code. Okay, we will show you how to create the coupon code and how to send the reminders. So this is the simple ones. Okay, this you will get for free. And for the others, for example, multiple paths. So you collect the payment, you generate the card, and update, renew, and that will be a premium template. We actually charge for that. So yeah, so all these templates are coming. Yeah, coming very very soon.
Amazing. So from our side, we have a promo code UChat30 that give you ability to get 30% off discount for the first payment for any Boomerangme plan for any period. It can be month, it can be quarter, it can be year. It doesn't matter. You can save 30% from your first payment anytime. Just use this promo code again, UChat30 on the Stripe payment page, and you can reduce your first payment and save. This is our bonus for this webinar.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay,
So
good.
beautiful, guys. If you have any questions, I think this is the right time for asking. And if all is
Danny.
clear,
Yeah, yeah. Good, good. Good. I think yeah. I hope you guys get the values from us. And yeah, this kind of the solutions takes time to build, but it's very good solutions for local business. Yeah, very good solutions.
absolutely,
Yeah,
absolutely. I believe this is really valuable for local businesses to automate this workflow and basically relationships with their clients automatically because no one really carefully work with the customers, right? Because it's all local business looks like a mess and we need to
yeah.
help them digitize this mess and automate this mess.
A very good idea. Okay, I see people success very easy. Very easy one is you just we mentioned that NFC tags, okay, or NFC, or the tabletop, so you can have a
Yeah.
design, okay, have the offer, get the first coffee free or something, put on the restaurant tables. Okay, it will not cost you a lot of money, but you will start collecting existing traffic. You
Yep.
do not need the clients to do the ads. Okay, you do not need to charge them for the ads you are running. Okay, you just say, okay, I have a few promotions I print out. Okay, in your branding, I put it here. It will start collecting customer informations for them. Okay, simple as that. You just start simple as that, because previously, if you do not have this kind of program, the customer come and go. You never get touch of them. But if they install the cards, you have a digital communication with them. Okay, whether different channels, you can have a yeah, you have a digital connection with them. Yeah, that's a very
And
good
moreover,
starting point.
communication
Yeah,
is the first step, important step. But moreover, you can put all your existing traffic into the retention loop automatically because if customer collect the positive bonus points balance and automatically receive push notification reminders from our site or from UChat site, it doesn't matter. Customer remember about your restaurant. Customer have a positive bonus balance. This is the main reason to coming back to this restaurant again, unlike the other restaurants on this street, right? And this
yeah.
is actually how it works. You can easily, without any additional manual work, double restaurant revenue by doubling the retention rate without, again, any manual work.
Mike, Danny have a very good question. So I think this is something also I want to understand. So Danny is asking, any plans in enabling dynamic change of the mobile wallet pass when the user achieve
Absolutely.
certain levels tier for multiple tier loyalty program? Very good question, Danny. So I was wondering the same thing as well. So can they change for the existing card, not install a new card for that? How difficult it is to build something like that?
We can change anything with the loyalty cards without any reinstallation, of course, and we plan to do it into the future. We do not plan to contribute the time right now for this feature because it's a really nice to have. It's a not must-have solution. I think we
Yeah,
need to contribute in our API, in our main core functionality, in integration side, on something like that. But in the future, yeah, of course, we will do this because it's one of the most popular question because just for discount cards, all we love to get the bronze card in bronze color, silver card in silver colors, and gold in gold, obviously, right? This is a
yeah,
popular case. We'll do
yeah,
that.
yeah. It's
Absolutely.
popular. Yeah,
This
yeah,
popular, of course. Guys, I think we are done with this webinar. 1 hour with Matthew. Matthew, I really appreciate your time, and it was a pleasure to talk with you, to be honest, today. Thank you for the good presentation. I think it was been helpful for all of us and for me personally. Again, it's a
yeah.
very useful
Same here.
information
Same
for
here.
us.
Yeah, same
Yeah,
here,
stay in
Mike.
touch.
Really appreciate your support. I think your team is very responsive, and yeah, as I can see, your platform is getting better and better and every day. Yeah,
As well as usual, your platform growing as well every day. So, guys, thank you
yeah,
so much for joining us today in this webinar. See you next week, and you can see this reply on our YouTube channels. I mean, Boomerang Me
yeah,
and UChat as well. Take care
yeah,
and
yeah,
see you soon.
yeah.
Stay in touch. Bye
See you.
bye.
Take care. Bye.